Y'all seen me have a meltdown last week. Damn near passed out and cried. Excuse the damn near. I didn't want to use any curse words. But I got some great news. All that and more after the intro. First of all, I got to give a huge shout out to Rhonda from Sayhowyoufeel. They hooked me up with a enormous press. And I got it for almost for free. It was a steal. It's like, I can't believe how much I paid for it to get it. I can't disclose that information, but I could tell you what. From the rant that I had, they made the situation right. And this is a whole different company. So they must have been watching me, following me. But I got to give shots out to Rhonda. Because Rhonda, you really did come through. And Heart and Hustle Printing, thank you for recommending Sayhowyoufeel. So let's get into this video and talk about this new heat press I got. So I already unboxed it because it was heavy. It was like lifting two of me up the steps and down the steps and around the corner and onto a table. But thankfully, my father and I are going to build a custom table so that it sits properly on there. Because when I say this thing is huge, it's huge! So what I have here is the manual for it. And it's called the Green Monster for a reason. Because take a look at it. That thing right there, oh my gosh. Right here, this is my original machine. This is what I started off with. And one day I was sublimating on some blanks. I had actually put the blank on here, slid it in, and was waiting for the plant to actually reach 400 degrees, which is up here, the thermometer that I always show you guys. And it just went blank. There was no spark, there was no pop. There wasn't even nothing to indicate that a fuse had been blown. So I'm puzzled and in disbelief at this point. So I go around looking, make sure the plug was all right, everything was okay. I looked at the socket, which there really isn't no damage. There is a little tiny burn mark right there, but there's not no real damage to this. I took the back plate off, as advised from Heat Press Nation, and there's nothing burned back there. I switched the fuses out because it comes with a brand new fuse. Once again, nothing there. So after I switched the fuse out, plugged it in a different spot, mind you, still nothing, still blank. So they're telling me it's a red rocker switch, but unfortunately, due to the Rona that's out here, everything's at a standstill. So I can't even ship this machine back to get it fixed. And they're telling me that I would have to pay for the red rocker switch to fix my machine, which, okay, I did get it in February of last year. And yes, now it's March of this year, which means it's a month after the warranty, which is like, oh my gosh, I wish I would have paid for the 2-year warranty. But this machine right here is built pretty sturdy, so you wouldn't expect for anything to go out or be wrong with it. Once again, this is my baby. I do love it, and I had a harsh rant on Facebook and Instagram about it because I was just upset. Generally, when you lose something that you love so much and you work with every night, you become disgruntled. And you say things that you shouldn't say to no one ever. Matter of fact, you shouldn't even go in the closet and say these things. But I was upset. So to anybody that's seen my rant about this, I publicly apologize. And Heat Press Nation is a great company. I probably will be grabbing new presses from them. Matter of fact, they got a new 16x20 auto open slide out with the short pressure that I seen Stan Banks have. And that thing looks gorgeous. Plus, I love the colorway. But on the other note, this thing right here, this huge monster, we're going to do some work together. And the customer service was on point. I got to say, Sayhowyoufeel was on their game. So once again, I'm not sure if they were watching my videos or got wind that I was upset about this machine. I'm not going to discredit this machine. I'm going to say it was a malfunction. It can happen to anybody. It can happen at any time. No one knows when anything's going to go out. We can't predict the future. We're not mind readers. But I'm looking forward to getting this fixed because I need this. I still got to have this. And then you guys know I got the 16x20 Black Series auto open at my store. And soon to be opening up another store location. You heard me right. Another store location coming very soon. So more on the reason why I love this heat press so much is not only did it have a slide out unit, it came with a platen cover, which is like a t-shirt cover. I mean, most heat presses don't even come with this, which I'll probably try to slide on the other one. But I like that, and I like the fact that I never burnt my fingers. So the slide out unit was definitely a plus. But I found out that they gave me one. This one can be made into a slide out unit as well. They added the extra pieces right here. So they have it that it comes just standard swing away. But this platen actually can be unscrewed from the bottom, and then this track can be added. And then guess what? Slide out unit again. So we're gonna see how working with this green machine, or the green monster, is gonna be. I'll probably go ahead and put some decals on it, because as you know, I like to put decals on my heat presses and on my computers and things of that nature. I just like to put stickers everywhere. It's just me, especially 651 vinyl stickers. But yeah, I'll be right back with you guys. So as you guys can see, I also had got my sublimation pennants and chains today. I actually got my dog tags last week, but the keychains came in today and I didn't even know. I was so excited about the green monster that I seen this package on the table and walked right past it. So we're gonna talk about some of the colors that I got. Well, first off, we got this right here, which is supposed to be for keychains, and it's square, but it looked like pictures might fit better on that, or a saying, because of how big it is. I might not stick to just key tag sayings. I might go ahead and put like a picture with a saying on the back. Also here we got some hearts, which can be sublimated on both sides. And then I heard in the comment section where they were talking about how flimsy and thin these are. They're not that bad, in my opinion. They're about the same width as my sublimation dog tags. And here are some plastic inserts to make keychains or tags if you want to. Probably won't be using a lot of those. And now for the bags of chains. As you can see, it's multicolor. I got rose gold in there, black. I'll just open one, see what we got. And I got 5 bags, so I'm assuming that there's 10 chains in each bag, which makes a total of 50. It's supposed to be a 100-piece set. But, okay, we got, I'm gonna say bronze maybe. Bronze chain. Looks to be black. They all come with the lobster claw on the end. So maybe that was like gray. We'll say that's gray, because this is black. I love that black. Looks pretty nice. Why it's taking me so long. Stainless steel. And I'll take one out at the end to show you guys how long they are. Silver, which looks like a shiny silver, high grade silver. We have 24 karat. No, this isn't 24 karat. This is regular, like Vegas gold color. I can't really think of the name of it, but it's gold regardless. And it's gold plated. It's not actual gold. It's gold plated. And we have like amber red, which almost looks bronze again. Then we have one of my favorite, rose gold, which is my wife's favorite color as well. And I don't know what type of gold we would call this. Maybe yellow gold. So there's like 3 or 4 different types of gold in there. And then this is the 24 karat gold right here, the shiny gold. That's really pretty right there. And let's take it out the bag, see how long it is. And that's a good amount of change for one bag. I mean, how many bags is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah, 10. And here's the chain length right here. So they're nice and they're thick. They're not flimsy little chains. Let me set it up against it, maybe we can get it better. It's not a flimsy little chain, it's kind of thick. So I'm proud owner of now being able to sublimate chains and keychains and key tags and wristlets and things of that nature to expand my business a little bit. Also, they gave me some key rings. Some thick, sturdy ones too. You slide these on your knuckle and knock somebody out. And I believe I purchased this off of Amazon. I have a local warehouse out here in Amazon factory, I think, out in Cleveland. So this came to me extremely fast. I ordered this stuff on Wednesday. I wasn't supposed to get it till Tuesday. I somehow got it today on Saturday. So it had to come straight from the factory. As we all know, nothing's shipping across the country right now because of the coronavirus. So in the comment section, let me know what you guys are doing. Is anybody crafting? Is anybody making any sales? Are you coming up with new designs? What are you doing during this downtime? Me, I'm perfecting my craft. So when the stores do open, which mine is temporary open for a little bit of time, and things get back to going the way that they're supposed to be, the economy, I want to make sure that my game is up here instead of right here. Because right now I'm right here and I'm trying to get to right here. And watch out for my sublimation playlist. There will be more sublimating videos coming soon. And I will be doing a lot more videos from my store and then soon from my other store locations. So stay tuned for that. Like, thumbs up, share, tell everybody. You know what it is. I'm out.